Hi everyone, it's Gene from CodesMine. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install a JDK and Netbeans on Windows so we can start creating programs in Java. To those of you who's wondering what Netbeans is, it is an IDE, which is an integrated development environment application that programmers use to develop an application. Some advantages of having an IDE are maximized productivity by having features such as source code editor, compiling, deploying, debugging, and it can contain multi-programming languages. Before we install Netbeans, we first need to install a JDK, Java Development Kit. There are many components included in JDK, but the most important component for our purposes is the Java Virtual Machine, which is JVM. JVM interprets our written code into a bytecode which enables the computer to run a Java program. Let us go ahead and launch the web browser. In my case, I will be launching Google Chrome. Type JDK in your address bar and press enter. Try to find Java SE Development Kit from Oracle. Go ahead and click on the link. The current version is 8. For Windows user, you can get either the 32-bit or the 64-bit version. It all depends on what bit version of Windows you have installed. To find out, click on the Windows icon, click on Settings, click on System, then click on About. Under System Type, it will tell you whether you have the 32-bit or 64-bit version installed. In my case, I have the 64-bit version installed. If you have a 64-bit version Windows installed, you can get either the 64-bit or 32-bit version of JDK. However, if you have a 32-bit version Windows installed, then you can only get the 32-bit version of JDK, as the 64-bit version will not work on your machine. Let us go back to the download page and accept the license agreement. Click on the red down arrow corresponding to the operating system. Now the download is done, let us go ahead and launch the program. Click on Yes. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Close. We have just completed installing the JDK. Let us go back to Google Chrome and type Netbeans in your address bar. Look for Download Netbeans IDE from netbeans.org. Click on it. Although we only need Java SE for our tutorials, I would suggest that you download the old version of Netbeans, as it contains other technologies that we might need somewhere down the road. So let us go ahead and click on the download button. If you get a warning message from your Google Chrome, click on the Show All button. You are able to keep the dangerous file. Keep anyway, and just launch it by clicking on the downloaded file. We are now installing Netbeans 8.2. Just go ahead and click on Next. accept the agreement. Click on next. And just click on next. Click on install. The installation has just been completed. Click on the finish button. We have just completed installing Netbeans and JDK. That's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will be writing our first Java program. Thanks everybody for watching. Let's high five and see you soon.